Have you seen ads for the Calminity Frequency Generator claiming it can help with pain relief, stress, sleep problems, circulation, energy, parasites, and even overall healing using so-called frequency technology? The marketing makes it sound like a revolutionary wellness breakthrough. But is the Calminity Frequency Generator actually legit, or is it just another overhyped internet gadget built on pseudoscience and emotional marketing? Let's break it down. First, the biggest red flag is the product's core claim itself. The device heavily promotes the idea that specific electromagnetic frequencies can heal the body, eliminate health problems, and restore balance naturally. A lot of these claims appear connected to controversial Rife frequency theories that have circulated online for years. The problem is that there's very little reliable scientific evidence proving these types of devices can treat medical conditions the way the ads suggest. While some forms of medical electrical therapy do exist in legitimate healthcare settings, that does not automatically mean random online frequency gadgets can cure pain, remove parasites, improve circulation, or fix multiple health conditions at once. And that leads to another major warning sign: the product promises way too much. Whenever a single device claims to help with sleep, stress, fatigue, inflammation, circulation, detoxification, pain relief, immunity, parasites, and overall wellness all at the same time, you should immediately be skeptical. That kind of miracle device marketing is extremely common with questionable wellness products online. Another issue is the website marketing itself. The advertising also relies heavily on dramatic testimonials and emotional transformation stories, but there's often very little verifiable evidence behind them. Some promotional videos and ads even appear AI-generated or heavily scripted, which makes the marketing feel even less trustworthy. Now, let's talk about the actual device quality. Several online buyers claim the product looks like a cheap generic electronic gadget that can easily be found from overseas suppliers for a fraction of the price. That's another common pattern with dropshipping-style products. A low-cost generic item gets rebranded with fancy wellness claims and sold at huge markups through aggressive advertising campaigns. Some customers also report receiving faulty devices, poor build quality, unclear instructions, or products that simply didn't perform as advertised. And unfortunately, refund complaints appear frequently as well. Some buyers claim customer service is slow or unhelpful, while others mention expensive international return shipping fees that make refunds difficult or not worth the hassle. That doesn't automatically prove every customer will have a bad experience, but it's definitely something buyers should research carefully before spending money. Another important point is that wellness gadgets like this can sometimes discourage people from seeking proper medical treatment. If someone is dealing with serious pain, health conditions, sleep disorders, or circulation problems, relying entirely on an unproven internet device instead of talking to a licensed medical professional can become risky. So what's the final verdict? Based on the exaggerated health claims, lack of strong scientific evidence, questionable reviews, fake urgency marketing, possible dropshipping origins, and refund complaints, the Calminity Frequency Generator raises multiple red flags. It appears to follow the same pattern seen with many online wellness gadget scams that use pseudoscience and emotional advertising to sell cheap generic devices at premium prices. That doesn't necessarily mean every buyer is intentionally being scammed, but consumers should approach these kinds of miracle healing claims very carefully and do thorough research before purchasing.